is Rahul. I am from Hyderabad. I completed my graduation in 2021 from Vidyajyoti Institute of Technology in Electrical and Electronics Engineering stream. And after completing my graduation, I have started looking for training institutes. So I have gathered some information about this institute from Google. So I came here and have learned something. Have gathered some information about courses they are offering here. So I started learning Java full stack. In Java full stack, they have Vivek sir has taught me, Vivek sir and Kaushik sir has taught me core Java, and SQL by Sanjay sir, and technology by Geeta ma'am and Reshma ma'am, and learned advanced Java and as well as React.js also from Geeta ma'am and Ravi sir. So this institute here in this institute they helped me a lot. In here here after completing my complete course, I have attended for aptitude groomings and mock interviews, which helped me to crack some interviews.